How to make Argentina from Rubik's Cube. First, we want to here should be upside blue, and then we want to do 2 times like this. Yellow layer here come the now do like this. Then do like this. Argentina make. Now solving. First do like this 2 times. 2 times. Then do like this, move like this, and 2 times one more. Done. Now one more thing I am telling. Now first do like this. From any side, from any middle layer, you can do like this, or like this. That means like this. First you can make also Argentina first. First you can make Argentina also like this. Like this 2 times. I am making it wrong. Now I tell you how to make Argentina. Then first make like this Argentina. Then move like this, and here it's the position. First, then you do like this. Now it is done.